RCR Infrastructure in New Zealand's been in business for over 120 years. We serve the HVAC, electrical, refrigeration and duct manufacturing businesses nationwide. RCR Infrastructure used to be a big Australian incorporation and it was very much paper-based, so our technicians used to go out to site, everything was on paper and we'd have to wait for them to bring the paper back to the office, which was so unproductive and time-consuming. With RCR Infrastructure becoming New Zealand owned and New Zealand business, we were needing to change over all of our systems. I was really keen to look for something that was customer focused. Our customers wanted to have quicker updates, so we've given them the Customer Portal where they can see in real time what's planned, what we're doing, quotes that are in there, invoices that need to be paid. Our techs on site, they can write the notes. In the office, we can see exactly what's happening. If a customer calls us, everyone's informed. All of the information's at our fingertips. We use SIMTRAC as well, and the main use for us is when a job comes in, we're able to see through the GPS who the closest technician is to that site, so we're able to respond to our customers fast. Simpro is an evolving system. There's updates coming through all the time. We're able to recommend updates and vote on others. Since we've had Simpro, we've been able to grow substantially because it's so quick and easy to learn. So we've been able to grow nationwide and we're able to do the training online as well with our technicians, with our office staff. So it's a great system.